Imagine this. You've poured your heart and soul into setting up your affiliate marketing business. You've chosen the perfect products, built a sleek website, and created compelling content. But then, you wait, and the sales just aren't coming in. Frustrating, isn't it? This is a common scenario for many affiliate marketers. The problem? Low sales. But don't worry, there is a solution. First, let's identify the pain points. The crux of the matter often lies in not fully understanding the audience's needs. You see, it's not just about selling a product, it's about offering a solution. It's about knowing what problems your audience is facing and how your product fits in as the answer. So, how do we turn this around? The magic words are targeted content and time-sensitive promotions. This means creating content that speaks directly to your audience's needs and concerns. And what better way to spur action than with a ticking clock? Limited time promotions create a sense of urgency that encourages immediate action. Now, let's break this down into actionable steps. First, conduct thorough audience research. Understand their struggles, their desires, their motivations. Second, create content that is tailor-made for them. Address their problems, offer solutions, and make them see why your product is what they need. Lastly, run promotions for a limited time. This not only creates excitement, but also compels your audience to act fast or miss out. And there you have it. A simple yet effective strategy to boost your affiliate marketing sales. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience and offering them not just a product, but a solution. So go ahead, give these steps a try and watch your sales skyrocket. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips useful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who may also benefit. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. Until next time, keep those sales coming and happy marketing.